So, Black GLP Freedom Drops are basically marketed as a liquid supplement designed to support weight loss and supposedly mimic some of the benefits associated with GLP-1 medications. But this is where I'd be pretty careful with the marketing. The biggest thing to understand is that a supplement isn't the same thing as an FDA-approved GLP-1 medication. Claims about controlling appetite, blood sugar, or dramatically increasing weight loss can sound impressive, but that doesn't mean the finished product has been proven to produce those results. I'd also look closely at the ingredients and dosages. Even if some ingredients have been studied individually, that doesn't prove this particular combination will work like a prescription GLP-1 drug. Testimonials and before and after stories also aren't the same as clinical evidence. So, are Black GLP Freedom Drops worth buying? I wouldn't expect them to deliver medication-like weight loss results. If you're considering them, check the full ingredient list, evidence behind the claims, company reputation, and potential interactions with anything you're already taking. Overall, I'd be especially skeptical of any supplement suggesting it can replicate a proven prescription treatment. The marketing may sound convincing, but the evidence is what really matters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.